Creating, writing, and posting one or more written content on other websites or blog is known as guest blogging, and is also one of content marketing strategy. Okay, and whenever you browse online and you see all this content that is noted with contributor or guest author, those are the posts that someone else wrote on behalf of that blog post, or on behalf of that blog rather. Welcome back to my channel. This is Francis Eze, and I'm all about teaching you how to make money online and everything that surrounds making money online. And if this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are super welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, you're also so much welcome to this video. And I would indulge you to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop hot content like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. Aside getting paid to do guest blogging or to do guest posting, there are so many other benefits that is attached to guest blogging. Okay, and there are many of them which is not limited to getting paid. And the next or the list of benefits or the things you can gain from doing guest blogging are the following. You could develop a very good profile as a thought leader in your industry or a well-known personality in your industry. So to speak, you could, from guest posting, you could become an authority in a particular niche which you're interested in and all that. Okay. And the next benefit is you could actually expand your personal brand, because when you post, you get links to other new set of audience still within your niche, which you don't have access to from your own personal blog. So that way you expand your brand or your personal brand or your business. And also you increase your social authority. You increase your social media followers, you increase the amount of subscribers that you have and all that. That's also one of the benefits you could get doing guest blogging. And the next one is you create enough backlinks to your own blog, because whenever you guest post or you guest blog, you have so many links that takes the viewers or the readers back to one or two posts you've made on your blog, and that way the algorithm or the search engine algorithm sees your post and your website as an authority. Okay, and that way your site ranking becomes high and your search engine result page ranking gets on top. Also, that's another benefit. The next one is guest blogging could actually grow and promote new collaborations for you. You get to meet your colleagues that are doing well in the same niche. You could co-market with them, you could link up with them, you could liaise with them to build something bigger. Okay, and that also will contribute to your authority in that particular niche. Then aside that, another benefit is it promotes referral traffic. Already you have your own audience on your own site, on your own blog. Now when you post in another blog, that's when you guest post or guest blog, you also attract those new set of readers or viewers back to your own site. So that way you are getting enough or another set of traffic to your own website, which from there you could actually make as much money as possible, because when they get to your site, they get to see what you have to offer, probably affiliate links and so many other ways you could actually make money from your own site. So that referral traffic is another huge benefit of guest blogging. Then the next one is it increases your brand recognition. When people see that your posts are being featured on big websites or blogs, they see you as a reputable personality in that niche, and they see you as a go-to person in that field also. And aside that, another major benefit of guest blogging is it increases your leads, your customer base, your client base, and increases your audience. Okay, so having known these benefits, let's get right to the next important information on this video, which is how to become a successful guest blogger. Okay, but before then, stay with me in this video till the very end, because I'm going to show you 5 amazing tools you could actually use to kickstart your guest blogging strategy. Okay, so how can you actually become a successful guest blogger? First and foremost, very important point is to establish a clear, attainable objectives. What do you wish to achieve as a guest blogger? You don't just go into guest blogging to just post anything and guest blog without having measurable, attainable goals. And those goals are not far-fetched, they're not quite difficult. It could be how much lead do you want to get at this point in time of guest blogging? How many clients, how many customers, how many backlinks do you want to get in a always make sure that or those objectives are measurable. You could measure these things in a certain period of time. Take for instance, I'm entering into guest blogging business. I could be like, okay, in the next 6 months, I should have been able to post or to guest blog in about 20 to 30 other websites. And from there, I should be expecting at least 1,000 backlinks, 500 backlinks, 200 leads, 50 clients, and let's say 25 customers. So it should be measurable. So, but whatever objectives you set, make sure that the objectives or the goals are actually smart, they're specific, they are measurable, they are attainable, and they are trackable, because you need to be sure, you need to have a way to measure so far what you've actually achieved after a certain period of time to know if you're going to improve or not. Then the next important step to becoming a very good guest blogger is choose topics that brings benefit to your own business. You don't just go and guest post and write only on the angle that will benefit the publisher or the website that's going to host the post. Also write content that will actually benefit you as a person. Write in resonance with your own niche and your own angle, and also write in resonance with the publisher or the website or the blog where you are posting that particular content. Very important, because it has to be a win-win situation. Okay, then the next step is find reputable guest blogging websites. And how do you do that? Make sure that their domain authority is nothing less than 40%. And you can easily check this online. You can go to website seochecker.com. Whatever domain name you put out there, they will show you the domain authority, the percentage. And also make sure that the spam score is 3% or less. Anything greater than 3% is not going to be actually well for you, because remember, you are sending backlinks to your site. And if you send backlinks to your site from a site that doesn't have good recording or good appraisal, then automatically the algorithm is going to start ranking your own page lower. Okay, and that way you get to lose from what is meant to give you good advantage. So look out for reputable guest blogging websites. Okay, then conduct guest blogging outreach. How do you do this? It's time you start to reach out to businesses, to websites, and let them know you guest blog, or you can send them a guest post. You could actually use your social media handle to also notify your audience that you could actually do this, or target businesses and let them know that you also guest post, and actually look at the things that they are interested in, the niche they are interested in, the way they accept their guest posts and all that. That way you get more feedback from them and know how to send your posts or your articles to them to be featured on their website. Okay, then the next one is write the post. After you've done all this, the most important thing is to write the post. And whenever you are putting out this post, there are things you need to do to remember. You're not the only person sending posts or trying to guest blog with that particular company or business or website. Many persons are submitting the articles. So for you to stand out, you need to take some steps to actually stand out and stand the chance of being selected or getting your post published on that particular website. And these things are, first and foremost, make the text into manageable and brief paragraphs. Don't write as if you are writing, you know, one full essay, no space, no nothing. Don't do that. Make it readable. After 2 or 3 lines or 4 lines, let there be two spacings, white background. Okay, so that someone reading can easily run through, skip through, and scan through your content easily without stress. Okay, then the next one is optimize on-page SEO. Remember, you're writing about a particular niche, you're writing about a particular content. What are the keywords related to what you are writing? Make sure you have enough of these keywords in the article. And also check out the keywords the publisher site is ranking on, and also check out the keyword your own site is ranking on. Make sure that you infuse all these keywords in that article. That way, it's going to boost the article, it's going to boost the publisher's page, and it's also going to boost your own blog or website. Okay, that's number 2. Then the third one is provide a link to your other posts. In that particular article, make sure that you have a link that leads to one of your old posts. Very important. Okay, for you to actually stand out, or for your post to actually stand out and make great meaning to the person that is going to review it in that publisher's website. Okay, then furthermore is put extra links, to show that you actually did a very good research. These links could actually come from other articles, from site that has very good domain authority. Give links to statistical records, give links to big publications and journals. That way, it will send that signal that this article is actually original and is coming from a very good place of research and in-depth work. Okay, then the next step to actually becoming a very good guest blogger is track your post results over time. Okay, make sure you track your result. Let's say you've actually sent out 10 or 12 guest posts. Which one performs better, or which one is the best? Arrange them in order of performance. The best one first, followed by the subsequent ones. And at the end of the day, check out the ones that is doing well, because that is going to give you an idea how the audiences relate to this content, and to also give you more insights on the angle to put out your post next time to gain more traffic, more leads, more customers, and all that, and to bring in more backlinks to your own site. So these are the 6 steps that you really need to actually become a very good guest blogger. Okay, so back to my promise. Earlier in this video, I told you I was going to share with you 5 guest blogging tools to get you started in case you are interested in this journey. Okay, and these tools are, first one is BuzzStream. Okay, BuzzStream is the first one. The second one is Just Reach Out. The third one is Rocket Reach. The fourth one is BuzzSumo, and the fifth one is CRM HubSpot. These tools will help you to track the performance of your posts, help you see how audiences or the leads or the followers or the readers or the subscribers of that particular channel interact with your posts, and also give you insights on how to improve. And it also help you to research your content and research your keyword and do your SEO properly. These are the tools that will actually help you, and they're out there free of charge. Okay, so having known how to do guest blogging and even knowing how to become a better guest blogger, there is now left for you to actually take action, because after watching this video without you taking any action is as good as you not watching this video. And don't forget, guest blogging is a very good way you could actually build serious personal brand, build authority in your niche, and also create avenues for collaborations, co-marketing, alliances, and great opportunities for yourself. And this is a way many persons out there make great and huge money online from the comfort of their home. Okay, so if you're getting good value in this video, I would indulge you to like if you've not liked, then subscribe, and also smash that bell notification icon so that whenever I drop videos like this on how to make money online, you will be among the first to be notified. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in my next video.